Welcome to Survey Feeds. I'm Louise and I work for Survey Feeds on the digital side of things. We have just launched surveyfeeds.com and an app. These bring you the best surveys and studies we have found that are going to get you paid. First, we verify that the organizations are legit and reputable. We do this by checking them out through multiple channels like Dun & Bradstreet, Green Book, the Wall Street Journal, and the Better Business Bureau. Secondly, we find surveys and studies that will cost nothing to you. We have scrubbed through the small print so that you don't have to. Third, we search for the surveys and studies where there is a higher likelihood that you will be chosen to participate. We take into account the number of participants that are needed and tend to focus on demographic-based studies. Fourth, we choose studies with shorter lead time so that you participate quickly and then get paid quickly. Thanks for joining, and next time I will be breaking down surveyfeeds.com and the site navigation. See you soon.